How to get premium subscription for LinkedIn. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily subscribe for a pro version of LinkedIn. Simply go ahead and open up your LinkedIn right here on your web browser and make sure to log into your account. Now on the top right corner, you'll see this option, try premium for $0. Or if you click on the drop down, you can get this option, try 1 month of premium for $0. Click on this. So let's just select I'd use premium for my personal goals and then click on next. Now you can select what is best for you. So I'm just going to select other and then click on next. Now select a plan that you'd want to continue with. So suppose if you want to continue with career mode, you could do that, or business, sales navigator core, or recruiter lite. I'm just going to go ahead and continue with career and click on redeem 1 month for $0. So you're going to have to select a type of plan. If it's individual, it's going to be $22.59 per month, or if it's duo, it's $16.94 per month. Select your plan and then click on confirm. And once you've done that, you're going to have to secure your checkout. So let's just go ahead and add a payment method. So if you want to continue with PayPal, you could just add your proceed to PayPal and log in with it. And if you want to add your card, just enter all of your card details along with your billing information. And once that is done, you could just go ahead and click on try now, and you should be able to activate the premium for free. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.